This is the Shay, a modern boutique hotel in the heart of Culver City, California, part of the Hyatt family under Destination by Hyatt. We spent just one night here in a premium suite, and while it's not exactly a luxury resort or a kid-focused hotel, it was a really fun stay in a great neighborhood. As Hyatt Globalists, we were able to enjoy all the perks, including complimentary breakfast, late checkout, and free valet parking, which made the quick stay feel much more relaxed. The vibe here is modern and youthful, with stylish design touches and a rooftop pool. Our suite was comfortable with enough space for a family of 4. I especially like the thoughtful design details. Not over the top, but comfortable and well done. The location is a big highlight. You're surrounded by great restaurants, cafes, and walkable streets. It's a spot that feels local and lived in, rather than touristy. It's probably not the place you'd pick for a full-on family vacation, but for a stopover, date night, or short city break, it works really well. Let me know if you've stayed at the Shay or are curious about other Hyatt properties. We've stayed at quite a few as a family and love sharing what it's actually like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And please like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Keep on traveling. Bye!